Good morning and welcome to Rembrandt Construction. My name is Howard Lemberg and you have entered into our showroom where you will find kitchen and bath displays, hundreds of samples to choose from and look at, and you will also find a variety of unique and different items that you won't find in other places. Here we are very creative. We like to make everything ourselves, and as you walk through the warehouse you will clearly see it. Come on with me. We just walked into our showroom and we are featuring a countertop. It's more of a tabletop that features the Phoenix bird. We're combining two different colors of granite into one. It requires a water jet to cut out all the pieces. We glue it all together. This is something that spurs people's imagination. And once we start getting your imagination rolling, that's when we have a chance to really create something unique and special for you. And it sure makes me and my job a lot more satisfying. The kitchen that we're in right now is a Wellborn kitchen. It features Wellborn cabinetry with Bianco antique granite and stainless steel appliances. We walk over here. This is also a Wellborn kitchen. Wellborn is our top of the line product. They have tremendous versatility, from colors to sizes to custom pieces. It is mind-blowing how much there is and how much we can actually do for you. And this kitchen features a granite called Fusion. It is wild, crazy, and cool stone, as you can clearly see. The tooling, as we walk through the shop, you'll see what we can do with the tooling. You'll see the kind of tooling we have, which hopefully will spur your imagination even more.
Guys, I'm Jason Kleckner, General Manager of Rembrandt Countertops. We'd like to give you a general tour of our shop just to help you as the customer or client to get an idea of what we're capable of doing. Here we have one of our machines, which is a manual miter saw. And with this saw, we're able to do miter fold countertops much faster, easier, and cleaner to give it that one-piece look that most people are looking for. This is our water jet. With this machine, water comes out at 2 times the speed of sound using an abrasive to cut through the stone. We are able to cut a perfect arc versus the traditional way of just trying to hand draw it and hand cut it where it's got that kind of choppy look. This is a very, very clean, beautiful finished look. This is our recycling plant. All the water in the shop comes to this big gray water pit. Then it is distributed through volcanic ash, which then cleans the water, collects the mud, transfers it back into clear water, and back into the shop. On average, we're eating between 100 and 220 gallons a minute of water that we're saving and reusing.
Here we are at our CNC bridge saw, and right above me is a jib crane that we use to pick up our material with. And we'll demonstrate. This is a vacuum lifter. This allows one man to be able to handle entire slab by himself, put it on the saw. It's safer for the men, safer for the material. It saves a tremendous amount of time. So here he is, pressure's up. You can see how easy and effortlessly he's able to do the process. Our CNC saw is all programmed in the office. We don't have a man standing here with a laser beam on the material trying to figure out the best way to cut it, the best positioning to cut it. It's all pre-done. We do need to line up the blade and creating a square out of the stone, and the operator is responsible for quite a bit of thinking. It's not just push a button and go, but we are trying to have smart guys at every station to give us the best chance of giving you, the customer, a great product every time.
This is our inline machine. With this machine, it uses many heads to cut, shape, polish for a finished product of many standard edges. This is our Thermwood 4-axis CNC machine. With this machine, we're able to do digitizing layouts, cut subdeck, radius work, engraving into signs, and many, many other things.
All right, now that you've completed the tour, I want to thank Jason. He is the man. He's the guy that knows how to fix everything, operate everything, and he keeps this whole place going.
Thank you very much.